Hello guys. Welcome to WhatVwant, a technology vlog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you 5 powerful presentation apps for students. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on the red color subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Without any delay, let's get started. Number 1, PowerPoint. PowerPoint is the most common presentation software used by most users. It comes with the MS Office package. It provides all the advanced features to generate PowerPoint presentations effectively. PowerPoint allows you to create more number of slides. This is free to use basic features. And for advanced presentation features, you need to take a subscription. Features of PowerPoint. Easy to use. Trusted application across the globe. You can get it from App Store, Play Store, and Amazon App Store too. Provides lots of designs to create slides. Graphical representation can be inserted easily. Pricing. Number 2, Google Slides. Google Slides is a basic slide building platform. It does not require any advanced IT skills to prepare some of the most captivating slides. You can highlight the main topics and information that takes precedence in the presentation. Google Slides allows you to add videos, audio files, images, and live streams. It can connect to the internet while you present, allowing you to enrich your demonstration. Google Slides lets you time your slides and determine the pace of the presentation. Basic computer skills are enough to help you make the best presentation. Features of Google Slides. Free to use. Easy to share. Modifications and changes are made easily using the access from the owner. It is an online platform, so no need to install any application on your device. Pricing. Number 3, Keynote. Keynote is an built application available from Apple users. It can be accessed from phone, web, and computer. It is one of the earliest alternatives that came to challenge PowerPoint. Keynote is easy to use and will appeal to users who are conversant with PowerPoint. It is free for people with Apple ID. It allows real-time collaboration when working on the presentation as a team. Features of Keynote. Easy to use. Real-time collaboration. Intuitive user interface. Lots of templates to use. You can play YouTube and Vimeo videos right in Keynote. Compatible with Mac, iPad, iPhone, and a PC. Number 4, Prezi. Prezi is a rich content presentation app that allows you to upload videos, images, web links, and even speak directly into the presentation. If you have a certified educational email, Prezi will be free. It allows you to present complex ideas simplistically. All your ideas will be placed on one canvas but with varying depths. It makes it easier for your listeners to follow the discussion while maintaining other ideas in the background. Features of Prezi. Easy to use. 100 million plus customers. Free for users having certified education email. Pricing. Number 5, Canva. Canva is a rich graphics app that turns you into a pro graphic creator. You can include videos, images, and text without possessing professional graphic skills. This is completely free to use its basic features. It has a very simple to use interface with advanced and enhanced tools. You will find hundreds of templates to use. And you can easily edit and modify the template according to your requirements. Features of Canva. Best for beginners. Simple and intuitive user interface. Hundreds of free templates to use. Available in free and pro versions. Pricing. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.